guys, so I wanted to film a wee get ready with me to go to the cat cafe, but I'm running late, which is not really a big surprise to anyone who knows me, so I'm just getting ready really quickly now, and yeah, we'll get going to the cat cafe. We only have an hour in the cat cafe, so it's a bit disappointing that I am running late. I won't get to, be in there very long, but then afterwards me and my friends are gonna go and hang out at a separate location, so yeah, it's not too bad. I'll get to hang out with my friends a little bit, I guess. Hopefully they still let me in the room with the cats. I don't know if there's a specific time that they're like, yep, you're not allowed in anymore, so we'll see. These are the rings I'm going to wear, but I don't like driving with rings, so I'm just going to put them in my bag. It is winter, so I'm able to bring my huge fuzzy wintry coat. I'm very excited to wear it. I'm going to bring my baby Usakumia with me today. Cute. And also my cinema roll bag. Since I am running late, I'll try to get some shots of my outfit after the cat cafe. Hopefully they still let me in. If they don't, I guess I'll have a lot of time to show you my outfit. But anyways, yeah, let's get going. I just arrived at the cat cafe. I am half an hour late. Oops, I'm hoping they still let me in, and hopefully I'll get to order a drink. I might not be able to, which I would totally understand if they have a time frame thing. But anyways, I'm gonna pop on my rings and some lip balm, and then we're gonna run in. There's some men staring at me across the street. I hate that. I feel awkward. Anyways, I've got all my things, baby Usakumia, and I'll pop my jumper on once I'm outside of the car. And yeah, we will run in, and fingers crossed I'm allowed in, and hopefully can order a drink. And we're off, zooming towards the cat cafe. Now, I had wanted to show you the front of the building a little bit, but I really didn't have time. So this footage is really shaky, I'm sorry. But here's the front, and then they had this little double doorway system, so none of the kitty cats get out. You can see he let me in, and then once that door is closed, I'm able to go into the cat room. Lucky me was able to order an oat milk mocha, so I got this little picture of Susie instead of a number, which is cute. And look at this sweet dude. They were sniffing my coat. Maybe it smells like my kitty cats at home, but they were very interested. The cats at this cafe are rescue cats, so some of them get to live here permanently, but the rest of them are up for adoption, which is a really lovely concept. I really adore that about this cat cafe. You can come and visit the kitty cats and, build a relationship with them perhaps, and if you fall in love with one, you can, apply to adopt them, which is, just a really cool thing. This is the first and only cat cafe here in the South Island, which I'm so grateful for. You can see they have really cool kitty cat furniture, like these custom made towers and stuff. So it's made by a local artist who makes it all himself, I guess. We have been wanting to get some for our own cats, but he has a super long waiting list. But yeah, it's remarkable furniture, and you can see all the kitty cats totally love it. My oat milk mocha arrived with about 5 minutes to go before we had to leave the cat cafe. So I was really grateful I was still able to order it. Here I am having a sip, and then I had to chug it down real quick, which made me really hot actually because it was still very warm. So we gathered for a quick group pic, and then we were out of there. Here is a cheeky shot of my coordinate for the day at the back of the cafe. Sneak peek at my Taobao order. Exciting! Now we're off to a second location just so we can keep hanging out and chilling. We ended up stopping in at one of my favorite patissiers along the way. I've shown you guys this place before. They make super cute and super yummy desserts, which are just so adorable. I love to get one whenever we have meetups. They're just too fun to eat. With cute desserts in hand, we are off to meet the rest of our friends. I got a warm vanilla milk tea to go with my super cute dessert. So it's like this spiced apple filling, and it's caramel flavor as well, and it's got super yummy mousse. Oh my gosh, this one is my overall favorite that they have at the shop. That's not their specialty range, I guess. So yes, I'm about to take a scoop. You can see my spoon's a bit messy. I was actually eating this cookie spread out of a jar, but yay, it's squishy. And so here I am taking my first bite. Oh my gosh, best flavor, and then a sip of tea. Yay, such a nice meetup. And that is it. I hope you may have enjoyed this short and sweet kitty cat cafe vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and fingers crossed I'll get to see you in my next video. Bye!